I'm going to be making some custom insoles for our 2-year-old shoes. He has pronation due to hypotonia. My wife's whispering it to me. Pronation due to hypotonia. Basically, he has no strength in his arch, and it's really making him struggle with walking. And his physiotherapist said that what we need to get is custom insoles for him. And then I told her, well, I can make some. So I'm going to be using this 2-part silicone putty, slow set putty, which is actually food safe. So it's really easy to use. Let's see if I can open one of these jars up. So it's really easy to use because it's literally in a putty form, like almost like a silly putty. And it's just 1-to-1. So I just mix them together with my hand and then apply them to the arch or to the insole. This stuff, like I said, is food safe. So it's going to be fine, should be fine. It shouldn't leach any chemicals or anything like that once it's actually set. Now this stuff is a slow set, so it takes a little while. Like the pot life says 30 minutes, but cure time 5 hours, so overnight. But the nice thing is that you have a lot of time to play around with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the insoles out of the shoes. I'm going to mix some of this putty together, put it on the insole, and then put the saran wrap over the insole. Put the insole back in the shoe and put them on my son, and we'll just get him to kind of walk around a bit. We'll press his foot into the insole and everything. Take the shoes off, let it sit overnight, and then by tomorrow it should be good to go. Okay, so I've taken 2 equal parts. Basically, each little piece has half a tablespoon. And now all you need to do is just mix it together. So you mix it together until it's a uniform color. It's just going to be like kind of a light purple. Once there's no streaks, so you can see right now there's lots of streaks in there. Once there's no streaks and it's just a uniform color, then I will apply it to the insoles. Okay, so I mixed the putty together and then I just split it equally and then put it on the little insoles. I spread it out just to kind of the area and shape that I think they're going to need to be. And now I'm just going to wrap saran wrap individually. So saran wrap around each of these, put them in the shoe, and then we'll put them on my son's feet and then kind of push his feet into the shoes and the insoles and get him to kind of walk around a bit to help squish the silicone out. All right, so I've got the insoles in there with the saran wrap, and now we're just gonna put this little monkey shoes in. He's got a train in his mouth. And there we go. And then all you need to do is just really press his foot into the insole like that. Just kind of push it in and let it kind of go around. Then, yeah, you can put the shoes on, snuggle them down. And then once we get both shoes on, we'll just kind of help him try to walk around and put his weight on it. Oh, that's a lot of spit. Oh. And let him walk around a bunch in them. You could even leave him on for a little while if you want to, because like I said, this stuff is slow set. So again, there's that saran wrap, shoe on. He's actually pretty interested. He's like, what's happening? Wow. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah.
Ow.
Oh, nice. Oh, fish hook mommy, nice. Oh, you're so mean. We're trying to help you here. Be nice to your mommy. Okay. And then you push his foot in.
Yep.
Perfect. Okay. So now we'll get him to stand up. Stand up. And then get him to walk around. What do you think, Ryder? Okay, can you walk? Can you walk? Good job. Can you dance? Dance. Dance, dance, dance. Good job. Okay, so yeah, we'll just let him walk around in these and we'll... Good walking. Yeah, so we'll let him walk around in them and his feet will just naturally push the silicone out so that it's comfortable for his feet. And then after sitting overnight, it should be good and nice and set, and it'll definitely help. Okay, so these set overnight, and now all I have to do is take the actual insoles out and then peel the plastic off. Oh, you already want to put your shoes on, don't you? Ooh. Yeah, insole. So, these set for probably a good 12 hours, so way more than the required amount of time. And they should be pretty nice and sturdy. Yeah, so that looks good. And Ryder, let's just put your foot out. So you can see the insole is matched perfectly to his foot. And then all you do, slip it back in, and it's good to go. Okay?
I'm gonna get another one.
You're gonna get that other one? Okay, you get the other one. Do you get the other one out? So once you got that, I'm gonna throw these on him, and I'm sure he's gonna be happy. You gonna be happy, Ryder? Ryder? Ooh, cool. Okay, Ryder. How are your shoes? All done? Hey, how are your shoes? Do you like them? Oh, let's see you stand. Nice. Oh, can you walk to Daddy? No, you don't want to walk? No, he's going to walk away. Okay, so shoes are done. He seems to be happy. And hopefully they'll help him with his walking. But time will tell. Okay, so hopefully if you have little kids, you found this video helpful.